In this guide video, I'll show you how can you fix ring sound volume get low on incoming call in your Nothing Phone 1. To fix low ring sound volume on nothing on incoming calls in your Nothing Phone 1, you could follow these steps. And next, what you want to do is tap on sound and vibration. Then you just want to select volume and locate the ringtone slider and drag it to right in order to increase the volume. So here you could go and slide it and that way you should be able to fix. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is make sure or ensure that the speaker on your phone is not obstructed by any case or a screen protector. You could also try cleaning the speaker area to remove any dirt or debris that might be affecting the sound. After adjusting the volume, ask someone to call you to ensure the ring sound is at your desirable level. However, if the issue still persists on, then you could check for your software update. So here, what you want to do is open up your settings. You go to System, scroll down a bit, and here you should be able to find software update. If any updates is available, you want to go ahead and check that out or update it. So that could be able to fix. Despite doing all this, nothing works. Then you want to factory reset. For that, you want to come to System, go to Reset option, and then you want to do the same thing, and that should be able to help you out in order to fix ring sound volume gets low on incoming call in your Nothing phone. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.